We are going to move into the manager. So these are here just 4 steps. To do it first, we have to install help. This command we are installing it. So once it installed, we have to get see latest available pages in the environment to get the updates by this command. So next step is now we can start deploying software. So for example, deploy Redis, we need to find the disk chart. So where this we are seeking the Redis. And you can identify more information about with inspect command. So you can stay where it is with inspect. And another one is this. So in this step we are deploying Redis. So we are installing stable Redis and just this installs. So Helm will now launch the required pod so you can evolve package plus using the So you can see there's one package. You can see the files. So for the first step, you have to see the results, and to do that, go to these reports and deploy and issues. You can see the names, cluster IPs, functional IPs, ports, and these types. That's all we have package. And going to the next scenario, which is classic package manager. We have to install those again. So one install, we have to check the update and search for chart. We have to prepare this. We need to find a chart from here, and we can identify more information from this command. That is cluster. So let's see. To deploy Redis, we can install command deploy the chart to a cluster. So this command. And the final step, the fourth, to see the results, the fourth RSN SVC, we can use these commands. So you can see. That's all. We're moving to the other scenario. This is solving wave scope and Kubernetes. So there's 4 steps. First one is start Kubernetes and when the launch.sh. And the launch wave scope we can view the configuration of deploy wave via this command. And in this task we have to deploy scope, use the YML with kubectl. It currently requires to set the validate the false. This will be fixed in future versions of Kubernetes. So we just run the command here and wait for it to deploy. Still deploying, and check the status of the pod using this command. So you can see the status first. So by default, once deployed, it will be only visible from inside the cluster. So you need to create a service which expose the pod. So in the command below, we also expose the service to the outside world via the external IP parameter. So exposing the service to the on a public IP is not recommended. So instead, it should be a required VPN connection to access service using this command to execute that here. And we're going to the third step, which is deploy sample application. So to do that, the start.sh. And the fourth step, visualize cluster. So from this link, you can visualize the cluster information. This is the, so that's all for the installing VS scope on Kubernetes, and we are done with Kubernetes. So thank you very much.